Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video to share with you. It is a unboxing video. It's gonna be my first one. I'm very excited just because I've been waiting for this particular item for a while and I finally got my hands on it and it's finally here. So yes, I'm very excited. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sujita, aka Soji. Come and join the crew, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And if you are my subscriber, hi, welcome back. So yes, let's just get started to the video. I don't want to cut myself. Can you guys guess what it is? Maybe? Yay! Yep. It's the orange box from Vuitton. I'm very excited for this one. Okay. Oh, it's a little tight. Oh my gosh! So this is the bag. This is the mini pochette, the animation 2019, their holiday collection. This is too cute, you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, the inside, let's take a look inside. This is the inside. There's a tag in there. Oh, this is too precious. This is too cute. So I got the Demeribin one. So this one has the little car and then that little, I don't know the correct name to call him, but he's just so cute. And then, you know, the Eiffel Tower. It's kind of like a cherry blossom right here, but it's just so cute, and I thought why not, because I love cars, and I don't know, something about this one that really sparked to me. The rest of the collection are really cute too, but I mean, I don't know, I just love, you know, this print more than the rest of it. And but don't get me wrong, if I, you know, can have all three, I probably get all three. But yes, and I do want to get, you know, the Tokyo edition as well, but I mean, I'm not in Tokyo, so but I'm just so glad I got one, you know, one of these. Oh my god, I just can't say, this is too cute, guys. Look at these. Oh, but yes, I am so happy. This is too cute. This is like a perfect size for me. Look at this, you guys, my little purse. But yes, so this is the item that I got, and I cannot wait to use this. And if you guys like really want to get this, it's definitely I think it's already sold out, I'm not sure, but I did purchase it. I didn't purchase this in a boutique, I actually purchased it from someone else. But yes, I did kind of pay a little bit overpriced for this, but I think it's worth it because this is an item that I really want. And I always, you know, get such a bad experience, like, you know, or bad luck, I guess, sometimes with like getting the stuff that I want. But I think mostly because of me, because I'm so indecisive. But anyways, I'm so glad I got this, so yay. I'm so happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.